Now we're multiplying fractions, and the steps here are really simple. We just multiply the numerators to get our numerator, multiply the denominators to get our denominator, and we have our answer. So for 1/4 times 1/4, if we multiply the numerators together, 1 times 1 is 1, multiply the denominators together, 4 times 4 is 16, so 1/16 is our answer. Now 3/4 times 1/5, so 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 5 is 20, so 3/20 is our answer. And now 5/12 times 1/2, 5 times 1 is 5, 12 times 2 is 24, so our answer is 5/24. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.